To measure shoulder abduction range of motion using a goniometer, the patient is supine with the upper extremity to be measured in the anatomical position. During the measurement, the axis of the goniometer is aligned with the anterior aspect of the acromion process. The stationary arm is aligned parallel to the sternum, and the moving arm is aligned with the anterior midline of the humerus and the medial humeral epicondyle.
Ms. Smith, I'm going to measure how much you can move your shoulder using this device. When I ask you to, I want you to move this arm up like this and hold it there. Are you ready? Okay, move your arm up. Hold it there.